Well, I thought I'd seen it all, but you know what? Even after the last video, I've seen some crazy stuff. If you haven't seen the last video, check it out. I talked about how driving the C8 Corvette ZR1, it's an incredible car. I still want to get one. It's so good. But I talked about how the Z06 is still such a good buy in comparison, and depending on how you intend to use your vehicles, a Z06 could be the better buy. Quite honestly, it could be the better buy. And I spoke about how you can buy Z06s for insane deals. And check out my screen right here in front of me. 2023 C8 Corvette Z06. $94,000, $97,000 for this one. This one with 8,000 miles, simply 8,000 miles. Can you believe that? This one is 99 grand, 1 year newer, and it's got 5,000 miles. Like, that is insane. That's insane, right? So when you watch the content of today's video, and make sure to watch till the end, well, I have some really just crazy reporting to share with you. Because odds are, if you see a Z06 like this one, or other ones, they are not bare bones cars, but like this is a Z07 right here for 130. Okay, it's a bit high looking at it now, because if we scroll down, this one looks like a Z07 car. It's got all the aerodynamics, the big wing, the big dive planes, 99 grand. So, the content of today's video is as follows. I have done more reporting on site, and we've done this for the past 7 to 8 years on the channel, where I go to different dealerships and I try to find out what it's like to get these cool cars that we are fans of. And I went to a Chevrolet dealership, and just for the essence of this reporting, we're just going to keep it to what I found. Real quick, if you enjoy this type of on-site reporting and you want to stay up to date with other markups and what we've seen in the industry, please subscribe for much more great content coming out your way, especially for track tests and more, because that's our specialty here. We test these cars too, so it's a lot of fun. Make sure you stay up to date with all the content. Let's get to the video. So what you're looking at right here is the pricing for a Corvette E-Ray. I walked up to a Corvette E-Ray, a blue one, and at this dealership, I wanted to get an idea, well, okay, there's an E-Ray right here. How much do they want? Well, right away, you're going to see a variety of things that we're going to examine, and this is going to go into the segment of new ways for dealerships to improve profit margins on cars that they sell. We've seen this all over the board, and you have to be just very aware. You have a lot of awareness for what you're going to be getting into, because if you fall into the wrong situation, no matter where you are, these dealerships could take everything from you, quite honestly, in terms of how much they want to charge you. So right here in front of us, we have a Corvette E-Ray, right away, $30,000 above sticker price. $30,000 above sticker price for a Corvette E-Ray. Are you kidding me? That car, just like the Z06, you can buy for sticker or below sticker, all over the board, all over the board. What we're seeing here with pricing, not only does it jump a $110,000 or $111,000 car to $130 something, but dealers don't stop there. Or 140 in this case. 110 plus 30 is over $140,000. Well, we're seeing stuff like appearance protection. And I thought right away looking at it, oh my gosh, PPF, right? We install paint protection film here. We're inside the studio right now at Speed Phenom Film. And if you guys do need any paint protection film, ceramic coating, windshield protection film, or more, give us a call, 760-496-8607. We're here in Carlsbad, and we started this place to bring back and help all of you and the locals in the community to get the best deals around, protect their cars, and just make the livability even better. So it's like just like when you bought it, right? The paint is all good. Back to the point, when I read appearance protection, I thought, oh, PPF. Nope, it's not. And we're seeing a lot of dealers put on coatings, and sometimes they can be good quality. Other times, they can just be a random coating that took the team not very long, and it's just put on. And there's a big profit margin sometimes, depending on the stuff that you would use. So right away, that is one way dealerships are adding on to the MSRP of your car. And we're making this video because many people don't realize that the MSRP when you order a car can change if the dealer tries to put in different things after the fact. And I have faced this in the past where I had to stop the dealer from putting on the digital license plate on one of my last purchases I had. Then I was like, that wasn't what I agreed to. I agreed to the MSRP of the car. And then they're like, oh, well, okay, they pulled it out. Thankfully, they pulled it out. We had a relationship where that was doable. But moving forward, door edge guards. Here's another thing to look out for. So this is like a strip of PPF film, and it's on the edge of the door so that you don't damage it. So it's a very thin edge, just to wrap on the very corner of the door. So edge guards, for 4 edge guards on the door is $400, right? So just keep in mind the stuff that you're seeing. Security systems. This is really interesting to me these days, and we're reporting on this because cars like the Corvette Z06, any Corvette, they have OnStar and all sorts of things built inside that are safety features. So OnStar can shut off your vehicle. They have so much control. So you don't need any extra security systems on these cars. They're locked down with OnStar, so that doesn't make much sense to me, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Furthermore, going down, windshield protection. So I thought, okay, windshield protection film, but geez, that's a lot of money, right? For windshield protection film to put on your windshield of your car. That's almost $2 grand. $1,700, right? $5 underneath $1,700. Well, this car didn't have any windshield protection film, and none of the Corvettes that I saw had that exterior film to protect it. After speaking to one of the representatives here, I found out that this is basically a warranty. So if anything happens to your windshield, you have protection to get a new one. And if you look at the price of a Corvette windshield, I don't even think it's that much money. You're basically prepaying for other windshields when you're buying the car. So let me know your thoughts on that. But this is just the beginning of the video. Let me show you what else we're looking at here. So $30K for a Stingray over sticker. How about the next car? Well, I walked up to a Corvette Stingray. $30,000 above sticker. And talking to the sales representative at this dealer location, they're charging $30K over on every single Corvette. Stingray to Z06 to E-Ray. And I heard a comment about the ZR1s being 100 to 150K over sticker. And this one, what's weird is that the door edge guards are less. They're $90 less than the E-Ray. And the security system is a couple $100 less than the E-Ray. Same goes for the windshield protection. Instead of being $16.95, it's $13.95. So they're scaling the prices of these add-ons to the level car you're buying. So I thought that was a new thing that I have just seen just now. So big markups like this on cars that are not limited. You can buy Stingray right now for $60K. Used, it's like even less from what I recall or looking at last, unless it went back up. So $115,000, I think it says $685 for this $81,690 MSRP equipped Stingray. Finally, I found a Z06, and this is where it gets similar. $30,000 above sticker, windshield protection, which was more money than the Stingray windshield, when the windshields aren't they the same, the exact same windshield? The security system is more money. The door edge guards are more money. It's just really fascinating to me. That's the reporting in today's video. I'm seeing so many different things that are mandatory add-ons on cars these days from dealerships, and I wish we could get these cars for what Chevy builds them at, because if this was meant to be a $177,000 Corvette right here, it wouldn't be having an MSRP of $143,000. The invoiced MSRP, I forgot how much that was, but I believe a couple $1,000s. It's around there. Imagine selling one car and making 30+K profit over and over and over again. It's a pretty nice business model to have for yourself, right? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this reporting and this insight at the latest things dealerships are doing to increase prices of cars, please hit the like button. It really does help us out. And subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one.